somebody to say, if medical no left you are, like it go pay me. Your music like Abubu ya, they kwa.
Yes, I beg. These are the like but
Ghanaians are me.
Chale, what it happened? Chale, what it happened? Make I tell you something. Something made my inside. Get it make out weak, get it make out.
Chale, yes, another episode on Chale, what it happened. Yesterday, to bring you guys some gist on Omale.
yeah.
Omale then some babe. Apparently, the babe too can't talk. So just sharp, we won't bring them to you what the babe they talk. Then any other news. So make no video, we just trust it right now. Okay, yes, we are back. And as we brought to you on the previous episode, Omale go call somebody in girlfriend can stage where plenty things happen. And same P, you understand? Apparently, the name that was trending yesterday was Fafa.
Yeah.
Girl, I see her friend in Fafa.
The name is Fafa.
Yes. In fact, I say more mutu within Fafa no. Mumbra, or person be something say Munya din Fafa no. Away.
So, why am I okay? First of all, who's Fafa? No, who's that person? Whoever said that my name is Fafa? Can you come? No, come please. Because how? I literally went on stage. I literally said my name is Jess. I said it twice. So I don't know how people are getting this information from. That's not my name, please. Like, no.
Okay, as you saw, she said her name is Jess. On her IG is Jessani. Jessani, right?
Yeah.
Jessani. And Jessani came out to apologize publicly to the said boyfriend. And this is what she had to say.
Obviously, before I get that started, I want to publicly apologise to him. Obviously, me and him, we've had private conversations where we spoke, but since it was public, I think the right thing for me to do is to publicly apologise to him. Like, that was bad, but, you know, it was honestly a mistake. If I knew this would, get this far, I wouldn't even go to the concert. I don't know, because this is not worth the hate I'm receiving. But yeah, since it was public, I want to publicly apologize to him. So yeah, let's just get straight into the story.
So after the apology, Jessani also makes some points. She said nobody bites it anymore.
That's the point I wanted.
Sure.
You know, say sometimes we believe say you the commander, we the boys.
Oh yeah, I mean that be the norm. Usually.
Yeah, you buy the tickets.
Yeah.
As you enter any booze or any stuff you could buy, be a head top.
Sure.
Yeah. But this time you always see.
Jessani said she bought a ticket. In fact, she bought a ticket for the boyfriend.
Yeah.
For both of them. Nothing the woman will do.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Jessani say on so to me the boy pee. If woman take nigga come out, and say what's that?
Yeah.
And also people saying that he's the one that bought the tickets. Who told you that as well? Who said he's the one that bought the tickets? It was me. I'm the one that bought the tickets. I wanted me and him to have a good time because, you know, we're young, real young. So, I thought this is a good thing to do. Let me just take our man to a concert. Let's have fun. That's it. There's nothing wrong with that. I beg. Since when is it illegal to do so? Since when? That just tells you a lot because us women, we can do things as well. If I want to take my man out, I take my man out. So
according to Jessani, she bought the tickets for both of them. And they had a conversation prior to the concert.
See, if they go as you know, say they like Omale.
Yeah, Omale is famous. One of your favorite.
One of, yeah. So if in case the guy, it be like that she be prophetess or something.
I don't know.
Also, me and him, we've had private conversations about going on stage with Omale because he does this at his shows. If you really know Omale, you will know that he's done this at his past concerts. This is what he does. This is literally what he does. It's nothing new. So obviously, I said, me and him had this conversation. I said to him, if I was to get called on stage, I'm going to go on stage. And he said that's fine. He's been saying that's fine. Me and him never ever had an issue with me going on stage. Even when the time came, like I think there was a video where people were saying like I was moving away from him, like I was pushing him away, like no. Like Omele literally looked at me and said, you said I want to be this. So obviously I just got really excited because Omele is like one of my favourite artists. I don't care what anybody says, like you all have favourite artists. I didn't want to hear that, like, so he's mine. So obviously he's my favourite artist, not mine. So obviously I got really excited. I was just genuinely happy. And obviously when I moved to the side, that was when he asked me to go on stage. I was just waiting for obviously the security to get me out of the crowd. That's why I was even stood there.
Where happy is the guy to corner. Where to go do what he do.
But you see, here you had a problem there. You've had conversations. Oh, I didn't like Omale. We go some show. You call me and I go live on the stage. It be cool.
Normal, yeah.
That not the mean say for go that far.
That far,
You know, yeah, he's one of your favorite artists.
Yeah.
He call you. You be excited. Women are excited about these things, you know. So you climb the stage, probably just a little times. But what you go on, to be very honest, Charlie, there's no nigga way, even if he has given you permission to just go on stage, you will be happy with that. No nigga will be happy with that. If you can start as a Omale de Mao, was a stand with that. Or Chale, bend it, man. Oh, man, you did that. Now they're coming out Omale on stage. Oh, man, yeah. You see the guy in face. But this be when, after the girl has apologized. Nipano, she has come public that she didn't do well. Nipano, they don't know what they apologize public. Sister Debbie. In fact, make her read. Make her read what Sister Debbie can. See you. She say, he pay me wa. Say the Omale concert girl come out to explain. Kai, dancing keke. Youngins, not married, but taking this thing World Cup. Simple entertainment. Jamaicans will be laughing.
I mean the kind of video.
I mean, yeah, Spice. They are culturally they are all about that. Yeah. Boys will cheat publicly and not ever dare apologize publicly. The girl do yawa by apologizing, in my opinion.
Wait, you don't say another tweet. Some of the
then cook am. Then cook
Bongo say if this one will talk.
Oh, later he talk.
You know say definitely boys will do agenda.
Later he talk. Initially, where did they say?
No, it will say say boys will cook am. So he didn't will talk plenty self.
Oh, where Bongo idea. So this initially when Bongo thought say this one the boys will cook it. Let me relax and enjoy the cooking one after the other. Way later, the cooking starts where he come. Bongo ideas. You see, you are nearing 45 and no man wants you. Maybe you should start apologizing so you can find a real man, not trans. People don't say Debbie they follow this LGBTQ. She give support them. So this be short way to give them. But seriously, since when did apologizing become your Since when? I mean, it takes a mature person to understand that I found that, excuse my language, or I messed up. Where they apologize publicly because what she do was public. Yeah. So if she's apologizing publicly, no point is one no. I don't see any issue. I mean, yeah, she apologized.
Yeah, so not for this.
I mean, I make happy say she acknowledged. Yeah. Say she went too far. But she say the hate, the thing she get, it's not worth what she go do, or what she go do isn't worth the hate she's receiving.
This is not worth the hate I'm receiving.
You know, because she go claim some $1 million. Like that one, the hate, you go fit take the hate. You go fit.
On the other side, too, you know, say people when they know say like they believe that it is your life. They do whatever they want. I think from that aspect where Debbie come from, like don't be wrong.
Debbie could have said.
I know actually.
Debbie could have. I mean, when she said, "Oh, it's just a relationship, not married and all these things,"
could have ended there.
From her lens, she thinks it is all fun and games.
Yes.
Like, have fun, enjoy yourself.
In my life, like
but you see, they are in a relationship. Whatever you do affects the other person. Yeah, whatever you do.
Definitely, the boys will get interviewed.
The boy will be hurt by this. I mean, it's not even about us. It's not even about the audience or what is going on Twitter. The nigga will be affected.
That's why they talk to me. The matter will happen. you know, they concern me like the way the guy
The guy will feel
how I
bad.
talk as at the last this one shoot. I don't see the nigga no matter way Chale because
The way
you see the way that you move self no.
Yeah.
That will do.
So just that every talk that way. One of the cookings way it catch my attention survey. Then use medical take this up. Somebody say
You want pay matter give you.
a measurable old woman will always recruit young women into a measurable path for closure. Hey. Nah. This nigga give him. You want to talk Sister Debbie say Sister Debbie be very measurable, but on tell you one say. You don't want like opposite hair or your partners. On your partners, not like you give them some sort of, LGBTQ advocate and measurable. What a shame. Oh, Chale. Somebody to say, if medical no left you are, like you go pay me. Your music like Abubu ya. Dede kwa.
Yes, I beg. These are the like matter, but
Ghanaians are me.
this man not for a like cry.
Sister Debbie has no more.
Senior lady, my senior lady that too. Where feel the matter?
Sister Debbie.
I will do
Sister Debbie, a strong man can say, as some Ukrainian to say, who would choose fella over Debbie? Sister Debbie. And I must say, oh, the music do like a movie.
Right now, today.
No.
As your matter not come, people go talk your matter.
Ghana, how? But yes, if one singer turn to, she can't respond to what Guinness World Records book can talk. Apparently, no. Abi, Ghanaians they talk say, so she knows the things she feel. When she did this, when you talk anything, they go around and doing interviews. What's now, then both can talk here and again. No, when she say, nobody say she not say she feel, but after the whole thing, she don't feel login, go in account inside, go and see feedback on it. So she can't explain the reason why she would come out because she didn't even know. She not going, she not feel logged in to an account to check where she can talk. So you make people watch what she had to say there.
Okay, so I don't think I disappointed. Everybody has his or her notions, and we live in an era where when one person sparks up something, it catches fire without the actual victim given the opportunity to express his or herself. I would say that there is no way I will hold on to a result such as this. I am a very strong personality, and I believe in not giving up. And regardless of the outcome, being it successful or non-successful, I would have still shared with Ghanaians anyways. So I spoke about a miscommunication with JWR. It had to do with my login account. I don't have access. So as I sit here, I don't have official documents to even post on my social media that this is my disqualification letter. I can't access my account. So it's the reason probably they went ahead of me to comment on somebody's post and it went viral. So I think that I haven't disappointed Ghanaians. The only disappointment may be that they didn't hear it from me first, which I apologize. It's beyond my control. And I know that in due time or at the right time, they will get to understand and believe my story.
And so that was if one singer can explain plenty story. It's my cookie Debbie though. Oh, ex no. When you go chairman Debbie, one share that or can I dream? Maybe I think can I dream?
Yeah, your opinion.
Yeah, me, I think the lady did right by apologizing. Debbie so say like God in your opinion. Everybody get an opinion. I don't just make a name I say Abubuya. I don't dey why. Unyo kwa say.
Ghana dey
For the catch it.
I think if you
No, unyo kwa. Munya wo say. Abubuya say. Wo dey kaka say ipo and the same or something.
like you know the same thing. I say you fall down with noise they make.
But
Oh, I want to say noise they make.
I just try find mouth.
No, it's Ghana. They make noise. Abuya Saka. They make noise.
They don't know Sister Debbie. Like, how many Sister Debbie?
No.
Classic baby. They know first. Yeah, so Chale, nothing there again. Alright. So this has been Chale what happened. Today, sharp. We won't just can't give you the response for Jessani. You get Jessina.
No,
Now we can't Jessina. Jessani response. And yeah, Fafa, the name is not Fafa. And she has apologized. And Sister Debbie has also said that girl do yawa. If one singer turn to say she never knows say she feel that thing. She never logged into an account inside. So let's know what you think. Let's know what you think in the comment section. If you think Debbie's song is a let us know. If you think if one singer turned too hard information from you, let us know. Okay, if you think just standing this by my apologizing, just let us know. Chale should do or Chale just stand. I know you're my neighbor, Chale. I will feel it. I will feel you. This is Umar Flex. I'll be standing. Do well to subscribe, like, and share so that we can keep bringing you massive and entertaining content. Until the next episode, stay blessed.
It's like there's something